ain't coming yet, dude. This thing's just making this little preliminary run. I guarantee you that. That fucker's not coming in right now. It's probably gonna zip up to the front of the boat in a second.
Watch your line there.
Yeah. Your line's good. Your line's good. Stay fishing, man.
Just plenty of just in case.
Oh yeah. Got the splash on camera too.
Yeah, baby.
Finna make you famous.
Anyone want any herring? You know what? Do me a favor. Go ahead and pull your line in, Nemo.
Yeah.
That's a nice fish, actually. Where's the line at? It's crossed mine. Watch your line.
Yeah, move work though. See how?
Yeah, I wasn't sure if it was the rock of the boat or if I was getting a bite, but that don't matter. I want to see his shit. No, I didn't. I was facing the other way. I just want to get this. I want to get it nice.
Don't worry, it's gonna be like probably about 5 minutes before he wants to come in.
Just tell me. I just want to get a good shot of him doing his shit.
Yeah. I don't really fish too tight of a drag because I don't want to fucking rip it out of his mouth.
You got an Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
I'll fucking make this down to a little 1 minute banger for
Thanks,
you and
bro.
send it to you. Yeah.
Let's get the claw in there.
I got the fucking jump.
Good claw. Hashtag.
I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna say he's the only one who's had a mango claw, and he's the only one who's actually stuck a fish. So
I
that's
gotta thank Josh for this.
that's the only thing I'm gonna say. I'm not
That's all
gonna say
that has to be said, you know?
I'm not gonna say it's because of me, but I'm not gonna say it's not because of me.
Right. I mean, you know?
Yeah. 90% of the time, it's me 100% of the time. But
Yeah, it's a good idea that you're heading.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I failed once.
I just keep saying all day, see that
It's a smart
bendo
one,
action.
actually.
I'm
Watch out, 'cause I might have to go around the anchor line in a second.
I'm moving out of your way.
He's a smart
Try to
motherfucker,
turn him a
actually.
little bit there, bud.
Yeah, that's clear now. Bendo!
And
I am, bro. I don't care if it's me or not. I want everybody to get cool clips, bro.
the boat, watch out.
Go around me. Coming back.
Watch that hole.
Indeed.
Yeah, those guys are probably like, motherfuckers.
Just came out here.
fucking noise.
Why is my line?
Because we're moving.
Oh.
Watch out, coming back your way.
Yep. Do your thing, man.
Get on top
Yep.
of this cooler.
Yep.
They get big for a reason sometimes, right?
You want me to lift the line? Okay.
That's the dangerous part, too.
You need me to move my line?
Bitch. Smart motherfucker, man, you know what I mean?
Yeah. I might be kind, you kidding, Nemo? You want me to put it behind him? Or? Still good, right?
Yeah.
No, I'm not the bait yet. Still good, right? It's so alive. Let me switch back to you.
But, yeah.
Yeah, bro, gotta get the cheekage. I also gotta get Daniel on a scoop. Oh yeah, there he is.
When Mikey saw the bubble, he goes,
Oh man, what does that mean? He's giving up? I was like, nope, second pens.
"Oh,
Oh
God, yeah."
shit, bro. Auto zone. That's a nice fish, man.
Bodies on the boat.
"Not there yet." Actually,
Oh, he's under 60?
He's there, dude.
Yeah, he's
he'll
under
keep
60.
50 something.
Josh, this side of the boat.
Gotcha.
Yeah, go back that way. I'm
Sorry,
going
I'll-
to right now. I'm still just trying to control him, dude.
Yeah, I got you.
Right now, it's like 90% of the time where they do something funky and.
You want me to hand it to you?
Bubbles, baby, bubbles. Bubbles, baby, bubbles.
Nice.
All right.
Fuck yeah.
Boxing this dude. We're on the board for 2020. Fucking egg. Yeah!
Oh yeah, bro. That's what's up.
We're on the board for 2020. That's a PG for me.
2020.
That's a package, dude.
Josh.
Thank you, sir.
All right, guys.
Is it still recording? Yeah. All right, bro. That's yours right
Where
there.
to be caught.
Yeah, give me some. Hell yeah. That's a tank right there.
Yes, it is.